The battery is an integral part of the e-bike system. It stores the electricity and power your motor. All batteries' life is limited. Depends on your daily use. It can be shorter or longer. Battery's life is measured by charge cycles. For example, if you discharge a battery from 100% to 0%, that means one charge cycle. And if you discharge your battery from 100% to 50%, that means a half cycle. But attention, try not to dry out your battery, because that would cause damage to your battery. How many cycles will a battery do depends on how well the battery is looked after. And usually, the battery can reach 700 to 1000 cycles. And when you approach to the end of your battery's life cycle, it won't stop working immediately. You may find that you can get 30 miles before, but now you just can get 25 or 20 or 10 or less on a full charge. One of the most important things is the path of discharge. So, how to charge your battery? Most would agree that you will get more charge cycles if you charge your battery to 80%. But I charge 100% every time, because I don't have enough time to see whether the battery reached 80%. The battery is just for me to use. It's not my daily. What I want is go anywhere, anytime I want. Enjoy my life. But when discharged, I will try not to dry it out totally, like discharge it from 100% to 0%, because that will surely damage the battery. Why? Because I had done an experiment on two iPhone 13, which also use the lithium battery. Usually, my iPhone charged when the battery is around 50%, and my wife's iPhone charged around 1% or 0%. After 1 year, my battery health says it can hold 97% of its maximum capacity, while my wife's battery can just hold the 83%. What I suggest is try not to discharge the battery to 0% and charge it after use. Finally, about store the battery. Not too cold, not too hot. Think, if you are the battery, if you need to store the battery for a long time, you should keep it at 60 to 70 capacity remain and charge it every 3 to 6 months.